Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, you wanna go walk outside now? Let's go walk outside. Daddy is outside. You wanna go see Dad? Come on. Hindi pa, tanong mo muna. Hindi pa tanong. Ini, Inihintay ka niya. Hindi na ba siya? Sabi ko mag-ano ng hearing aid, pa-check up. Wala siyang insurance. Kung doon sa isa. Kailangan doon sa isa. Doon na lang. Idali na lang ni Lolo. Ha? Anong di niya main... Ika-hearing aid lang naman. Okay. Okay, wait. Dali na lang doon sa Sinong hindi niya maintindihan? Alam naman, instruction naman. Okay, let's go. Labas na kami. Kumain ka na ba? Ayan si Do, hindi pa daw kumakain. Oh yeah, you can play there. Where's my sleeper? Oh, okay. Let's go outside. Oh, is that your... Okay. Oh, wow. Is that your mouse? Okay. Hi, guys. Oh, do you wanna go your height? Okay, before we go upstairs first. Akit kaya. Oh, oh, you're 4? Yeah, you're 4. Okay, okay, okay. Wait for me. She got more baby mouse. No, they open it. She had it for a long time. Yeah, yeah. They're hiding at Gilana. Mother started that fire early, so that's all right. We got lots of fire. We had lots of wood. Oh, that's easy. Is that how you do now? Wow. Whoa. 2 hands. There you go. You know that already? Whoa. No touching. Oh, oh. Faster. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Let's go get your... Oh, nice. Is that a rock? Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, oh. Are you doing that? Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy.